Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Well, today is June 15th. It is the reveal day for Kim's Custom Garage's tribute to the 1932 Ford. I am very ashamed of myself. I was trying to get a Vicky done, a 32 Vicky, and it did not get done. But the 32 Ford is too classic a rod for any of us not to pay some homage to. So stick around, we'll see what I'm going to show. Okay guys, so my tribute is some old bills. Most of you have already seen these, but like I said, we've still got to pay homage to such an awesome car, 90 years old. And this is an AMT 32nd scale. And I've already shared, and you can go back to one of the other videos and see what the paint is and all that kind of stuff. But this, I love the stock version, and of course there's so many hot rods. There's probably more hot rods than there were the stock versions. But I cut the Calvin open on this one, chromed the horn, and just for a stock, showroom stock kind of look. I love the color scheme, but in paying tribute to this magnificent car, like I said, these are just awesome stock and hot rods. This one I did with the gray interior, the Tester's dark blue, Tester's gloss black. The roof panel, the canvas type thing, and the rubber, the tires and the running boards were painted with Tamiya. I'm trying to remember. Oh, there it is right there. XF 85 rubber. And I think it turned out pretty good. But like I said, it's hard to beat a classic like this. And hold on, I'll put a couple of my 64th scale that I keep on my shelf here at the bench up too and show you those. A lot of the 32s ended up like this one. This is a Matchbox 64th, but this is one of my favorites that I've got on the shelf too. This one I did some modifications to, lowered the front just a touch, did a wash on the chrome down the sides where the side pipes and all are. And you can also see the door jambs. I used some of the panel liner, Tamiya panel liner black, to do those. I did not do the trunk because it's so vague. It just wouldn't flow in there. But you can see the door jambs, the hood, and all that stuff. But this one was a good classic look. I love the black flames, and it's the good classic hot rod red. Just what it needs to be. Very, very cool. It looked like it's wanting to go on its own there for a minute. But I like this one. And this one, if you remember, this is a stock Happy Meal. McDonald's, let me get a little closer here. Happy Meal toy. And I got two of these when I was at a roadside event where they were doing vendors and all that stuff. And I walked across the street from one of the places that we were doing vending with Squad Room, and I found a couple of these things identical, so I picked a couple of them up. And you see the crease down the pipes and all that stuff. But the 32 fenderless like this, and with a big block sitting in them, it just makes the car. So I gutted one down, if you remember, in our small scale build, and went back and took all the mold lines off of it, the body and the die cast, the engine part. Let me get a little closer here. Primed and painted the interior in the tan. Did the windshield frame originally in chrome, and I didn't like it, so I went back with I wanted to have that brushed aluminum look. So I did the windshield frame in just silver Sharpie, and I think it turned out really good. A little bit of heat stain as they come out of the heads, the pipes come out of the heads. And I wired the engine, the Mopar Hemi, wired that up. The wheels are painted with the XF85 rubber from Tamiya. The body was chrome plated with all clad, and then I went back with all clad's transparent ruby red and shot the body. You can go back and look at that whole process, that whole build in the small scale build thing. But the key here is it's a 32 Ford, the classic. Hard to beat those things. But I've enjoyed every one of these things. The Vicky, I'd show you how far I got, but I would rather you see it finished now. It's going to be unique. It's more stock, but it's got some unique stuff to it too. But I look forward to sharing that with you here whenever I get back to it. But tribute, salute to the 1932 Fords. Kim, thank you so much. I apologize again for not being able to get mine done. Just too much going on, and hopefully I'll get the 100th anniversary. But guys, thanks for sticking around and looking at these. And again, we're paying the tribute to the 32 Fords. So salute. See you guys. God bless. Talk to you in the next video.